Hello kids! It's me, Miss Lily, for a video. So come with me. Today we are going to talk about farm animals. But we are going to learn the name of the baby animals. Yes, that's it. So come with me. Repeat with me. Kitten. A baby cat is a kitten. So cute. A baby dog, we can say puppy. So let's repeat. Puppy. Chick. Chick. And this, how can I say? The baby cow, you can say calf. Calf. It's the baby cow. Lamb. Lamb. Remember that song? Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Yes, the lamb is the baby. Foal. Foal. It's the baby horse. So a baby horse, we can say foal. Duckling. Duckling. Quack, quack. Yes. Quack, quack. It's the baby duck. A baby duck, we can say duckling. And the baby pig, how can I say in English? Piglet. Piglet. That's it. The piglet. The baby pig. Kids, see you next video, alright? Don't forget to subscribe here, yes? The channel. I'm Miss Lily and I hope to see you soon, okay? Bye-bye.